Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Mariam and today I'll be talking about slippers. So what is slippers? Slippers are light shoes that is simple to put on and take off. It comes with straps where it prevents from the foot to slip out from the slippers. The function of the slippers is to provide comfort and protection for the foot when walking outdoors. Usually, people use this type of slippers when they walk at the beach, or sometimes they use this as toilet slippers. This slippers material is 100% natural rubber.
Now, I will talk about the physical and material properties for slipper. For slipper, its specific weight is less. Also, it has high heat insulation, which means that it can absorb less heat. Besides, it also has high tensile strength, which means that it is not easily to break down when force is applied. Slipper is also resistant to dry and wet abrasions. We are not easily to fall down since it can resist being worn away by friction. Slipper also has high elasticity and plasticity, which means that it can be twisted and returned to its original shape after twisting. Last but not least, it also has high tear resistance.
Manufacturing process. First, the major raw materials, which is naturally rubber, is come straight away from the plantation. Second, melting and mixing. The raw material then heated up and mixed together into the machine that grinds it up. Third, rolling. The material put into the roller machine, they keep spin it through the roller again and again until it becomes very hot but also very mixed. From there, they roll it more into very thin layers using roller machine, each layer being around 1 mm thick. Next, layering. They just build up lots of this same shape, layers on top of each other. From there, they actually stick these layers together depending on how thick they want the material to be for the sole of paper. Next, die cutting. After that, they put them into the cut machine, which is basically holding a mold, and then a big press presses down on that die cut to form the sole of paper.
Printing. They paint a color onto the sole of the flip-flop. Paint the same color in each one, and they change the color until they have the finished print on the flip-flop. This depends on what they design. Next, holes and strap. They drill hole in the flip-flop to then put the strap in, and they can add brooches, any kind of customization required for the flip-flop. Finishing. Before the item being packed, the flip-flop need to do some finishing, such as grinding the side of the sole. Then, final inspection done to the flip-flop to check whether it accepted or rejected. 9. Packing. Lastly, they start packaging them up and put the item into carton and ready to ship the item off.
Slippers in Berhad is one of the local company in Malaysia to produce slippers. The factory is located in Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia. It was started by Jack Lim in 2008. Slipper has since expanded from Malaysia to international market in Singapore, Japan, Cambodia, Indonesia and more. Since they started, they have opened over 100 physical and online retailers to bring Flipper closer to the customer. Flipper is gaining steady popularity in various markets because they bring stylish yet affordable footwear to individuals wanting to transition from a relaxed to an active lifestyle. These are some examples of their product, such as Flipper Strike, Flipper Slim, Flipper Strong, Flipper Comfort, and also Flipper Classic. Thank you for listening to our discussion. To all of you, stay safe from coronavirus.